Crypto Underground is back with another video, guys, and yes, also today I have a completely new project that is launching in a few days on the 13th of June, guys, and we have the chance to get on board before this one is launching. Make sure to check out this new project, BlockDag. This is a mining company. They already have different miners running. You can even mine with your mobile phone as well. They have over 1.5 million users worldwide, and the coin is launching right now, guys. It is called BlockDag. Make sure to be checking it out. The link is here in the video description for BlockDag. I'm gonna put it also here at the top so you cannot miss out. Make sure also to be subscribed on this channel, guys, because I update you every day what is going on here in the crypto world, and of course also whenever I discover new projects that are extremely hyped or where we can make some gains. Of course, no financial advice, no promises, high risk, etc., but I'm sharing everything that I'm buying with you guys, and this is basically the final call of this new BlockDag coin that is about to come out. They are also official blockchain partners from Inter Milan, and also they have different ambassadors and articles also coming out right now. They are mentioned in different crypto websites already, and of course you can go and buy also their miners as well. But for us, of course, it's interesting to invest into the coin. Use the link to get to the official dashboard where you can invest with all the cryptos that you want. Even the Trump coin is supported here to invest, and make sure to be doing that before the next price increase as well. And of course also if you want, for example, to buy those miners, because you can actually buy the actual miners, those are ASIC miners, you can do that as well with your cryptos. But for us, of course, it is interesting to buy directly into the coin, since the coin it is launching very soon. Use the link in the video description, guys. Let's see what this coin is about to do. And if you want to invest before the big exchange launching, because they are going to launch in 20 exchanges, also Maxi Global, Bank, and so on. You're gonna find all those exchanges that I'm also using, like Maxi Global, where also this coin is getting listed here in the video description. Sign up to Maxi Global, because like that, of course, you have the chance also to trade those coins directly. Bank is also here if you're interested in different exchanges. Use those sign up links to get extra deposit bonuses, and then of course also see what happens here, because on Maxi Global new coins are getting listed here every day, and hopefully also BlockDag is going to be a successful one, since this is a huge mining company and they're bringing out their coin only out by now. If you are missing out of these coins, guys, and of course sometimes you can also do that play to earn, or with this one here do some mining on your mobile phone. But if you're too late, then of course you have to go and directly buy into this coin before the launch, because now of course it's too late to start mining here with your mobile phone. Of course you can maybe do some little coins here, but it's better to directly buy them. Of course, no financial advice, I'm just sharing what I'm doing. I bought into this coin, guys, and now I'm waiting for the big launch. It is going live on the 13th of June. Until then you have time, so hurry up, guys, and of course be subscribed, because I keep you updated also on BlockDag and all the other new meme coins that I bought, like Bitcoin Hyper, Snorter, Solexi, and so on. You're gonna find all links to those new projects here in the video description. We are here for that, guys, and of course we are waiting that Bitcoin finally is hitting new all-time highs, because I'm pretty convinced that on this bull run we're gonna touch the $200,000 levels for Bitcoin in this bull run. And until then, of course, it is good to diversify into all those coins, not only Bitcoin, but of course also altcoins, meme coins, and new projects. No financial advice, guys, just my own opinion. Thank you for watching Crypto Underground. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.